Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x minus 2 power 4 equals to 81. You're supposed to find 4 values of x. Solution: very quickly and copy what we have x minus 2 power 4 equals to 81, and here we can write this one as x minus 2 power 4 minus here 81 will be 0, and of course x minus 2 power 4 minus here 9 squared will be 0, and it can be easy to change them into difference of two squares by changing this one. We have to get x minus 2 squared, and here squared again, minus 9 squared, which equals to 0. And here we have this one which is squared and this one which is squared, so we can separate them by writing x minus 2 squared plus 9 times x minus 2 squared minus 9 will be 0. So this one only will be x squared minus 4 x plus 4 plus 9, and this will be x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 9 will be 0. So x squared minus 4x plus 13 times x squared minus 4x minus 5 will be 0. Now you can start from where we want, and of course you have to know that this is quadratic equations that we have. Let's start from here. Here, equation 1, we have x squared minus 4x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Two numbers we can multiply together to get negative 5, where their sum is negative 4. There are negative 1 and positive 1 and negative 5 to get x squared plus 1x minus 5x minus 5 will be 0. This one times this, we get a negative 5, and their sum is 4x, negative 4. And by grouping, we shall get x plus 1 here by factorizing negative 5 to get x plus 1 will be 0. Of course, x minus 5 here times x plus 1 here will be 0. And of course here we shall get x which is equal to 5, and of course here I have x which is equal to negative 1. Then here by equation 2 we have what? This one, and here I have x squared minus 4x plus 13, which equals to 0. Two numbers we can multiply together to get 13. Of course this is a prime number, so that we cannot get these numbers, so we have to find here x. This will be x 3 and 4 will be negative b plus or minus the square root of here b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And of course here x 3 and 4 will be, and we shall get 4 plus or minus square root of here 16 minus 4 times 13 over 2 equal to 4 plus or minus here square root of here 16 minus this will be 52 over 2, and of course this is equal to 4 plus or minus here, square root of negative 36 over 2. And here we shall get 4 plus or minus here, square root of here negative or positive 6i over 2. And x 3 and 4 will be 2 plus or minus 3i as the final solution that we have right here. Now the part of our solution is this 5 and negative 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I can say that. Bye bye.